If you're having trouble accessing your account because you've forgotten your password, don't worry, we're here to help. Follow the steps below to reset your password and regain access to your account. 1. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to our website, thehealthleap.ca. 2. On the login page, you'll see a link or button labeled Forgot Password. Click on this link. 3. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. Make sure to use the email you registered with. Click Submit. 4. After you submit your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from us. This email will contain a link to reset your password. If the email is not found in your inbox, check the spam or junk folder. 5. Click the reset password link in the email. This will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password. 6. Enter a new password. Make sure it's strong and secure. Ideally, it should be a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. 7. Confirm your new password. Re-enter your new password to confirm it, then submit. 8. Once your password has been successfully reset, go back to the login page and log in with your new password. Forgetting passwords is a common and normal experience in our increasingly digital world. With the average person needing to remember numerous passwords for various accounts and services, it is no surprise that forgetting one occasionally happens to almost everyone. This is largely due to the cognitive load placed on our memory systems by the sheer volume of information we need to recall. To mitigate this, many people use password managers or follow best practices like creating memorable yet strong passwords. Understanding that forgetting passwords is a typical occurrence can help reduce frustration and encourage the use of tools and strategies to manage them more effectively. If you still need assistance, our customer support team is here to help. Send us an email to contact thehealthleap.ca. Thanks for joining me today.